for our puppy dog vase, we're using 5 balloons. I've got a black 5-inch round that I've inflated to about 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches in diameter. I've also got a black 260 I've inflated, leaving about 1 inch on the end. I've got a blush 260 with about 2.5 inches on the end of it. Another blush 260, almost to the end. There's maybe a 1/2 inch left on the end of that uninflated. And then 2 Mocha 350s. One is inflated, leaving about just over a 4-inch tail. The other is inflated, leaving just about a 4-inch tail as well, slightly longer than the other. Let's start with this one here. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our 5-inch round and then tie it to the end of this. Trim the excess off. We're going to make about a 3-inch bubble, followed by about a 2-inch bubble, and then a 1-inch bubble. Don't worry if that other one comes undone, we can put it back in a moment. Make the 1-inch bubble into a pinch twist. And we'll put our other bubble back because we need to measure. So we'll go back to our 3 and our 2. Now we need another one the same size as the 2-inch. And then come back down, same size as this first one, so with a 3-inch bubble. Twist that and twist it around the nose a time or two, and take the nose and push it through to the other side. That will help it stay up better. Now you're going to take, you've got a diamond here, take your diamond, twist it together at the middle, and then what you have left, bring it up alongside. You want to bubble slightly longer than this bubble here. So the first 2 bubbles in that one. And then twist that around, that joining point of those, and this is going to be our dog's head. And by making that bottom one slightly longer, you get a slightly larger or more pronounced bottom jaw like that. And this is longer than our dog's neck should be, so we're going to trim a little bit off. Let some air out. And then retie it. And now we need to make his ears. So we're going to take our black 260. And what you want to do is make about 10 or 11-inch bubble this thick. Make another bubble the same size. And then we're going to let go of that for a moment. And I'm going to separate this into 2 bubbles using my spigot here. And make sure you keep this extra because we'll use that for our tail in a moment. So tie that off, set it aside, and then instead of tying this and retying it, bring around and tie that into a loop. Again, trimming off the excess. And then where we had twisted it before, retwist it to get 2 of the same size. Twist those in half so that your knot end and that other twister together. You get 2 loops like that. These will be our dog's ears. Then come in from behind that ear twist, bring them around to the front of it, cross them over, and then back to the side. And then position your ear twist up on top so that his ears will stick out like that. And then you can shape them however you like. I usually like to curve them down just a little bit. There's our dog's face. Now, we take our other Mocha 350, make a 1-inch bubble, make that into a pinch twist, another 1-inch bubble, and again a pinch twist. We're going to make about a 7-inch bubble, followed by a 1-inch bubble, and again make that into a pinch twist. Come down alongside it, another 7-inch bubble just like that. Twist it around the double ear twist at the bottom. Come back up with another 7-inch bubble and twist that into that pinch twist at the top, so you've got a 3-bubble bird body or roll through without having to roll it through. We're going to take this excess, let the air out of it, secure it, and then tuck that knot up inside there. And then we'll take our head and attach it at the end with a single pinch twist, twisting that around at the base of it, and tucking the excess inside. dog's head and his body. Now we're going to take the shorter of the 260s with about a 4-inch end on it. We want to make about a 1-inch bubble. And you're going to make about a 4-inch fold twist or loop twist, a little 1/2-inch bubble, and make that into a pinch twist, and squeeze it down. Now you're going to go to the other end, and we're going to sort of reverse that. So it helps if you squeeze it out to the end to get it soft. Make about a 1-inch bubble, another fold twist about the same size as your other one that you had over here, another 1-inch bubble, and make that into a pinch twist as well. Then you're going to take your 2 arms, fold it in half, twist it together, and then at the base of his neck, bring those around, cross them over in front, and then bring his 2 hands together. Grab the 2 fold twists and twist them around to lock them into place. And you get his hands. That. Bring the 2 ear twists on the outside. It looks almost like a bow from that end. If you bring those arms down over that bubble in the middle, they'll kind of sit that way, and you can turn his head to the side. And now for his legs, we'll take our other blush 260 that's almost to the end. Make about a 3.5-inch bubble, a 1-inch bubble. Make that into a pinch twist, sort of soften it. Come to the other end. I'm going to make about a 3.5-inch bubble, same size as this other one. A 1-inch bubble, make that into a pinch twist. And then you want to find the middle of that, right there. Twist that, and then come to that double pinch twist on the bottom of the dog. Bring those around and lock it in place. These are our dog's legs. Fold them in half, give them a squeeze on the side, but shake them a little so that you get that effect there. And then with that black that we had left over from making his ears, you're going to take your nozzle and come back and twist that into that double pinch twist on the bottom. Bring your tail out the back, and then you can shape it however you like. I generally curl it up so it's not too long for the twist. Turn him so he's looking at you to the side. You can give him a little face if you like. And you take your flowers, insert them into his arms, and there's your little puppy dog vase. He wants to sit up.